which are the sectors that you think look very compelling for a high growth opportunity?
Sure. So there are, of course, the segments which are decent growth and decent valuations. So they might not be the highest growth, but have good valuations. So financials, in my view, especially the banks, fall into that category, where I believe that the valuations have corrected so much in the last 2 years because of underperformance that even a little bit of growth can give you a good upside. So that's on that normal kind of a category. But the long term trends that we see and the segments that we see, which will go at high growth rates for longer periods of time, are basically in three segments. One is linked to demographics and income levels. So everything to do with premium services and goods will grow faster. So whether it's gems and jewelry, liquor, high-end housing, bigger cars and SUVs.
So the premiumization.
The premiumization service, airlines, hotels, all those premium services and goods will grow faster. Second is again linked to demographics and income levels, is savings segment.
Okay.
So everything to do with savings will grow faster than the rest of the economy and faster than even the rest of the financial services segment. So insurance, wealth management, asset management, broking, exchanges, depositories, etc. Everything to do with the savings ecosystem will grow faster. So that's on the demographics side. Second is, in my view, the physical asset creation theme. India is short of everything physical, whether it's infrastructure, or real estate, or manufacturing capacity, power, defense, everything, we are in short supply. And if we are to grow at 7%, it will not happen without physical asset creation. Only services and only consumption, which have been the traditional drivers for growth for India, can now probably make us grow at 5 to 5.5%. But if you want to go to 7%, 7.5%, it has to be on the basis of physical asset creation. And third is, as we have discussed in the past, the new age companies, new business models, which are either disrupting existing businesses or creating new business models where none existed. So those can have a very large runway of growth, which is what we are ideally looking at.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.